Wash and clean chicken quarters, chop in smaller pieces, add seasoning, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, salt, garlic powder. Add all seasoning to the chicken. Use half of a pineapple chopped in small pieces and blend it. Get the juice from it. Okay, so pour the pineapple. Fry the chicken in some coconut oil. After you brown them, add pineapple juice. That's about 4 cups of pineapple juice. Allow to cook for 20 to 30 minutes. About 30 minutes. Nice thick sauce.